Welcome to Melting Chocolate for Croissants. This is what you do if you don't have a double boiler and don't want to use the microwave. I know the microwave is popular, but it doesn't do quite as good a job as actually melting. Now, if you have a real double boiler, you would use that. But if you don't, you can make one. It's pretty easy. What you do is you get the water in a small pot and you get a bowl that fits inside the pot but doesn't actually touch the water. So we're going to melt this chocolate. As you can see, it's melting just a little bit already over here. Okay, and we're going to come back when it's fully melted and I'll show you what to do from there. Back, we're going to test and make sure that this is the right consistency. If you're going to put anything in the chocolate, like a fork or something to test it, make sure that it is completely dry. If you get any water in the chocolate, it will seize and become unusable. So we're going to be using a toothpick because that is definitely, and look, it's just perfect. We're going to smush it around like that. Take this out. And one moment, we'll get the first candidate, just a moment. And now we're going to dip our first candidate. Just dip like that. Take it out and dip the other end. There we go. And put it on parchment paper and get another one. Dip. Oh, the almond fell off. And dip. And you've got two dipped, and we'll continue dipping. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. And there you have it. Beautiful croissants with chocolate drizzled over them and dipped in chocolate. We also have some lovely croissants that are square with almond filling, and they just have chocolate drizzled over them. Okay, enjoy.